little calibrate. Yeah, nice little obstacles to fly through. I'm not sure what's best for split S, but let's go 25. We are in manual, we are recording. I want to have a go at some S-turns or split S's today, something that I should be able to do by now, but haven't really practiced it. So okay, so that all feels good. Flip. Probably one of my weakest things, I think, is flips and turns. Hence needing to practice the split S's. Well, I think with the Neo, lots of gaps and stuff, I've got pretty good at that type of thing. But definitely flips and rolls need some work. I've got the rates on 700 across the board. I'm just going to leave them there. I'm not going to play around. The more you watch on YouTube, the more you read, the more you get confused. So I reckon just keep them the same. Okay, so let's think about the split S. I think that's what we're aiming for. So head in one direction, turn over, drop throttle back the other way. But I'm doing more just like a quick roll. I think I'm scared to hit the floor. So going over, turn. Yeah. Is that right? I'm not sure. I'll be a bit nervous to go under anything at the moment. I'm not sure if that's correct. It's all happening a bit fast. Yeah. I'm hoping, maybe what I'll do is I'm going to bring my camera out a bit more, see if I can see it. Try and work out what I'm actually doing. See if I can do one and catch it on video. See if that makes sense. Okay. Which way? So that was that direction. No. That was just a roll flippy out of control thing. Maybe better, but a little bit slow and close to the floor. Okay, so heading in one direction. Invert, just cut the throttle, back on the throttle. I don't know. Hopefully I'm getting some of these on video so I can see what I'm doing. I think I'm cutting the throttle too early. I'm cutting it before I do the roll. I think you need to cut the throttle when you're upside down. Yeah, I think that's what I'm doing. Okay, so we need to go forwards, roll, cut the throttle. Whoa, that was just a mess. I'll get myself messed up now. Maybe more in the sim is the way to go. Oh, that was close to the floor. Oh, that was close to the floor. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play with this one. Now I'm down to 37% battery. Now I did find the other day that around 30% I really lost any punch, thrust. The throttle definitely backed off quite a bit, so let's bear that in mind. Let's just do a few flips, see if I can get some going in front of the camera. Alright, but we've done a full pack. What time are we at? What's the time? 9 minutes 47 with one battery. That's not bad, is it? And I haven't crashed. Now obviously I can hit the simulator and play with it there. My only concern is the weight of the Avata, so it's a little bit slower maybe on the turns, a little bit heavier, and doesn't have the power compared to something that I might use in the simulator. So any recommendations, any advice would be highly appreciated, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.